What if refurbishing an old typewriter revealed a series of love letters from World War II, reconnecting lost family members? Imagine an unassuming weekend project taking a turn into the extraordinary as you pry open the dusty carriage of a vintage typewriter, expecting to find rust but instead discovering a hidden compartment filled with yellowed, time-worn letters. Each one penned in meticulous script, they tell a heart-wrenching tale of love and separation, written by a soldier to his sweetheart. The letters, forgotten for decades, contain clues and addresses that lead you to their descendants, two families who had lost touch over the years. As the words come to life, so do old bonds, bringing together a lineage split by war but reunited by chance. This DIY craft project becomes a bridge across time, healing wounds and mending family ties, proving that sometimes, the most ordinary tasks can uncover the most extraordinary stories.